Hi all, good evening to another interesting webinar session today. So today our topic would be on CrewAI, Agents AI. So orchestrating agent teams for complex workflows. So I'm excited to walk you through, how these AI agents can move beyond single task automation into true team collaboration to solve real world problems. So by this end of the session, I'm sure you'll be able to understand what Crew AI is and why agent orchestration matters and how it is technically applied in real world business scenarios. So what is actually Crew AI? So traditionally, AI works as a single agent solving one task. So CrewAI changes this by building teams of AI agents, giving each a role, a purpose, and ability to collaborate between themselves. So it's more like think of CrewAI like a multi-skill workflow where one agent will research, another will summarize, another validates, and another one will execute. So this allows us to perform some complex workflows instead of just isolated prompts. So AI becomes less of a tool and more of like a coordinated team between. So why orchestrate agent teams? So now let's say, do we even need multiple agents instead of one smart AI? Let's see why. So complex tasks can be split into smaller specialization jobs, just like real team works, just like how do we do. Different agents bring different skills, like a data analyst, planner, executor, etc. So if we have better reliability, because steps are validated by multiple roles, not by one single decision. So we will definitely have a better reliability and the faster outcome because tasks run in parallel, not sequentially agent by agent. So overall, it will definitely improve accuracy, speed, and scalability. Yeah. So if we see how exactly this Crew AI works, so first let's try to understand the internal mechanics of Crew AI. So these are these four: defined roles, workflow composition, communication, and supervision. So in defined roles, we assign purpose to each AI agent. Example, data collector, data cleaner, analyst, output generator, etc. Under workflow composition, we design whether tasks should run sequentially or in parallel. So this is where we can assign them. Communication, they don't work in isolation. Agents don't work in isolation. They continuously share output like a real team works. And coming to supervision, a manager agent or system oversees progress to maintain quality and resolve conflicts. So this is how QAI works. So when coming to use case examples, customer support, let's say one agent classifies ticket, one draft responses, one will validate it, and one will send final reply. So data pipelines, one will collect data, one cleans it, the other one will analyze, and the other one will generate insights. So code deployment, one would write code, review, test, and deploy. Coming to the management, again, one plan tasks, one track risks, and one will update stakeholders. So whether it is a workflow, whenever there is a workflow, Crew AI can turn into a coordinated agent team. So it's more about when I want to summarize this, Crew AI transforms AI from a single prompt system to a continued coordinated intelligence system that will distribute work, reduce errors, increases automation scale, and mirrors real business teamwork. Yeah, so that's it for today's session, friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in the next week with some other interesting topic. Thank you.